Hi, this is Monica from lowcarbhack.com. Stay tuned if you would like to learn more about guavas. Are guavas keto? Listen to learn about carbs and calories in guava fruit. The guava is a tasty tropical fruit that makes an excellent addition to a healthy diet. The fresh fruit can be eaten on its own or added to salads, jams, and desserts. This sweet, creamy fruit can also be made into beverages, adding richness to smoothies and milkshakes. Keep reading for a sinfully delicious keto-friendly guava and strawberry milkshake recipe that is completely guilt-free. Did you know that regularly eating guavas may aid in weight loss? It's true. In fact, guavas can even help regulate your metabolism. Not only is the fruit full of fiber to promote health, heart, and to keep you full, but it's also lower in sugar than most other fruits. What's more, guava fruit and its leaf extracts may boost your health and vitality by improving blood sugar control, immunity, and digestion. The antioxidants in the fruit even have the power to kill cancer cells and prevent the onset of diabetes. So go ahead and try adding guavas to your diet today. Is guava fruit keto friendly? A half cup serving of the guava fruit has about 12 grams of satiating fat and only 2.6 grams of net carbs. The fat to carb ratio of guava fruit works perfectly for the popular ketogenic diet. The fruit is very low in sugar, containing only 2.8 grams per serving, which is much lower than fruits like oranges, apples, and bananas. One serving of guava fruit contains about 6.4 grams of fiber, which equates to 25% of your daily recommended intake. Consuming fruits that are high in fiber is a great way to offset those carbs and keep the net count of digestible carbs low. So go ahead and enjoy a piece of guava fruit on its own, or top your salad with cubes of the fruit for a keto-friendly lunch. A few chunks of frozen guava also makes a delicious addition to your morning smoothie. How many carbs are in guavas? A 100-gram serving of fresh guava contains 9 grams of net carbs. Guavas are packed with 5 grams of dietary fiber per 100-gram serving, which helps offset those carbs. How many calories are in guavas? A 100-gram serving of fresh guava contains only 68 calories. Guavas are very low in calories and perfect for following a calorie reduction diet plan. They are also rich in fiber to keep you feeling full between meals, which prevents overeating. Health benefits. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Guava fruit is incredibly rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. The fruit is also a good source of vitamin A, vitamin B6, and magnesium. The antioxidants in guavas protect against the harmful effects of oxidation that can lead to disease. Stabilizes blood sugar. Guava extract may help improve blood sugar control in diabetic individuals. In fact, researchers discovered that by drinking the guava leaf has the power to control blood sugar levels after a meal by 10% for up to 2 hours. Promotes heart health. Guava fruit or guava leaf extract may have a positive effect on heart health. Studies show that the fruit can lower blood pressure and unhealthy LDL cholesterol while increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. A study conducted by the Heart Research Laboratory, Medical Hospital and Research Center in India over a 3-month period found that eating ripe guava fruit prior to meals caused a significant decrease in blood pressure by 8 to 9 points, a reduction in LDL cholesterol by 9.9%, and an increase in healthy HDL cholesterol by 8%. Relieves menstrual cramps. Women who consume guava fruit or take guava leaf extract daily may see relief from painful symptoms of menstruation, such as menstrual cramps. A study conducted by the Epidemiology and Health Services Research Unit in Mexico found that women taking 6 milligrams of guava leaf extract daily experienced less intense pain than usual. The extract also appeared to be more effective than some painkillers. Improves digestion. Eating guavas regularly or consuming guava leaf extract may help prevent and relieve both diarrhea and constipation. Just one guava fruit contains 12% of your daily recommended intake of dietary fiber. Studies show that guava leaf extract is antimicrobial as well, which means that it can also prevent harmful microbes in the gut. Anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants abundant in guava fruit may help prevent cancer cells and their growth. One test tube study published by the Pharmaceutical Cosmetic Raw Materials and Natural Products Research and Development Center in Thailand found that guava leaf oil was 4 times more effective at halting cancer cell growth than various cancer drugs. Although the results of test tube experiments are promising, more research is needed before guava is used as a mainstream treatment for cancer. Strengthens the immune system. Guavas are extremely high in vitamin C. One serving provides double the recommended needs of this nutrient. Adequate intake of vitamin C is necessary to be protected from illness and infections. Vitamin C also provides antimicrobial benefits to help kill off bacteria and viruses. Side effects. Guava is generally safe for most people when consumed in normal food amounts. However, drinking too much guava leaf tea may lead to constipation. There is not enough information to know if guava leaf extract is safe when used as a medicine. Guava and strawberry milkshake. Ingredients: 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 3 large strawberries washed and hulled, 50 grams of guava fruit, about half a medium fruit, a handful of ice cubes, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon stevia or sugar-free sweetener of your choice, optional. Instructions: 1. Add all ingredients into a blender and blend on high until all of the ice is crushed and the fruit is pureed well. 2. Pour into a chilled glass or smoothie bottle and enjoy. Let's go through some related questions about guavas. Are guavas good for weight loss? Guava fruit can help you lose weight by regulating your metabolism, which leads to weight loss. Guava fruit has a lot less sugar than other fruits, such as apples, oranges, bananas, and grapes. The fruit makes for a filling snack that satisfies the appetite because it contains a good amount of protein, healthy fat, and fiber, all of which help keep you feeling satiated. The fuller you feel, the less chance you have of overeating and snacking between meals. Can guavas help treat a cold? Adequate intake of vitamin C can help boost immunity so that your body is better able to fight off viruses that cause the common cold. Guava is one of the best foods on the planet to supply you with this vital nutrient. Vitamin C not only maintains a healthy immune system to prevent colds, but it has also been shown to reduce a cold's duration. Guavas are a fantastic fruit to help you fight a cold due to their exceptionally high content of vitamin C. In fact, just 1 guava provides about double the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, twice the amount found in an orange. Are guavas good for diabetics? Guavas are extremely low in glycemic index and carry a low glycemic load, making them a healthy choice for people with diabetes and those most at risk of developing the disease. In fact, guava leaf extract has traditionally been used as a medicinal treatment for diabetes in East Asia for hundreds of years. Are guavas good for your skin? The antioxidants and vitamins in guavas have the power to slow down the effects of aging on your skin. In addition, guava leaf extract may help treat acne. One test tube study published by the University of Petra in Jordan found that guava leaf extract was effective at killing bacteria that causes acne. These effects are mainly due to antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties in the fruit. Guava fruit also contains high doses of vitamin C and a small amount of vitamin A, 2 nutrients that work miracles for your skin. The antioxidants contained in the fruit also protect your skin from free radicals and environmental damage like ultraviolet rays, which helps prevent wrinkles. Is guava fruit safe to eat during pregnancy? Guava is safe when eaten in normal food amounts, but there's not enough information to know if it is safe in the larger medicinal amounts. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, stick with normal food amounts until more is known. Although the fruit is safe, guava leaf tea and extract should be avoided during pregnancy as they may cause complications. Interestingly, guavas are also known to promote fertility, so if you're trying to conceive, you may wish to give the guava fruit a try. Thanks for listening. Please like and share. For more information about keto and carbs, please visit lowcarbhack.com.